with the brake. Not with 1 feet to 2 pedals. Yeah, not go on the accelerator and on the brake with 1 feet. Yeah, accelerator or brake.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
not that is together. Only one at a time.
Not both together.
No, I'm not doing both. Yeah? It is one at a time.
Okay, then you can start. No?
So I can overtake, right?
You can overtake. Yeah. We prepare the overtake.
Yeah.
With inside mirror, outside mirror, indicator side look, and go back. So, and now we turn left. Turn left, indicator left, steering a little bit calm. And go. Yes. And accelerator, huh? Yes. You can use the accelerator, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not only roll, you want to drive.
Huh? No,
huh? Roll.
You need to drive straight.
Yes. Accelerator down. Accelerator down. By green you can drive. Huh? Find confidence in the traffic system. The examiner say nothing, the teacher say nothing, then you go straight ahead, please.
Okay,
Yeah?
sure.
That's the main direction. Main direction is straight ahead. So, and now it become a little bit complicated. We want to go to the main road, Edeka. You can see where Edeka is.
Which one? This.
Look, the building.
Okay.
And you can see Edeka.
Yes, I can see.
Yeah? On the left side, you don't drive. You drive on the right. In the 30 zone, you can see the tree.
Yeah.
And on the tree is a square sign, 30 zone. You want to go in. You can see the 3 parking black cars, dark cars.
Yes.
And above is the 30 zone sign. You want to go in.
Okay. So
you can see that?
So we need to drive this lane, right?
Good. You have this sign.
Yes. This is
what
a
is
giveaway.
meaning? Giveaway.
Sign.
Yeah. That is the traffic. Huh?
Yeah.
So, and then come on. Pay attention.